It runs! What's up, guys? Hope you're having an awesome day. So in this video, we're going to be picking up another vehicle that is for a project that's coming up in the next couple of months. So right now I'm getting the Dodge and the trailer all ready so we can leave first thing in the morning to go get that. It's not too far away, only a few hours. So we're going to run over and pick that up, and hopefully the roads are nice and we can make it back with no problems. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Well, guys, some plans have changed. We were actually out of town for a trip we had planned that we totally forgot about. So my dad and Karen were kind enough to go over and pick up the new vehicle for us. So we're currently headed back to my place with it. And yeah, when we get there, we will do a little walk around and I'll show you guys what we got. All right, guys, here is the new vehicle. It is a 2001 single cab long box Silverado 2500 HD. It's been in a wreck. Well, I think it actually went in the ditch more than anything. I think this axle got caught and then it sheared off the pin that holds the springs together and slid that back. The only other thing that happened to the back was it bent the shock bracket, which is fine. This has the 6-liter in it, as well as a 4L80E transmission. And then everything is in it still has the engine, transfer case. It's just a little beat up. We got this for parts. We're going to be using some of the stuff off of it. Some of the interior is all gutted. It's not too terrible. And then the other thing is this lower control arm ball joint broke on this. So that's why I'm thinking that it went into a ditch or slid off the road and the front got caught on something as well as the back and broke that stuff. But as far as the frame and everything, it is all straight. Doesn't look like anything's bent on that. And the front clip is gone, but the rest of the stuff is there. The harness and everything related with that. I have not started this. The guy did say it ran, so hopefully here soon I can put a battery in it and see if it runs. I'd like to know if the engine's good or not. I don't think it shows how many miles are on it. He said he did not know. We'll see once we put a battery on if it'll show. But yeah, that is the vehicle right there. Not too sure what we're going to do with the engine and trans. Drop a comment down below what you'd like to see that go into. I don't have any plans for that. I just have some plans for the other parts. Stay tuned for that. I'll be showing you guys what we're going to be working on here in a couple weeks. It's not too terrible. It's a little beat up. I ended up paying $1,000 for this. It might be high to some people, but it was cheap enough for what I was wanting for parts. And there's a lot of good stuff here, especially if the engine runs. That will be awesome. We can put that in something down the road. Not too sure what, but we'll keep that for any future projects or plans we might have. So as far as this vehicle goes, I'm going to put a battery in it and see if I can't get it started and see how the engine runs and stuff related with that. And then going from there, I'm going to pull the cab off as well as the bed. I'm going to take everything out of the interior that I don't need, or take everything out that I'd like to keep. And then I'm going to haul those two things off to scrap. They're pretty beat up, so there's no point in trying to sell some of the stuff there. It's all dented and it's got some war wounds on the side from whatever the hell it was in. So we'll get that all taken off and hauled to scrap and then start using the parts we need. All right, guys, so I'm back out here working on the Silverado, seeing if I can't get it to fire up. Got the battery charger on there. Was missing a couple fuses, so I got those all put in and moved the stuff up front out of the way. That way the fan doesn't hit anything. We're getting ready to start it. We'll see if it works on the first go. Hopefully it does, and hopefully the engine is indeed good. All right, guys, so we got my dad over here now. He came over to see if it'll run with me. We're about ready to turn it over and see if it works. Here we go. The oil pressure gauge took a little bit to move. It's getting up there. It runs. Woo! Sounds like a solid derby car. Huh? Didn't even smoke, did it? Nope, nothing at all. A little noisy. That's straight pipe. The oil pressure took a second to get up, but it went on. So I know this video is probably pretty short, but I wanted to film a little bit about getting the new vehicle and show you guys what we got. Definitely drop a comment down below what you'd like to see done with the 6-liter and possibly that transmission. We have a bunch of vehicles we could potentially put that into, maybe the other K5 that I have, or do something up for Cassie, I don't know. But thanks for watching. Make sure to smash that like button if you like the videos, and subscribe if you haven't already. Got a bunch of stuff coming, and stay tuned for the project I'm going to be telling you guys about in a couple weeks, and we'll see you guys later. Peace.